Hello Year 8, I hope you're all well and have enjoyed your sunny half-term break. I've been busy with my children. We've been baking, planting seeds, harvesting in our veg patch, reading and walking. Why not drop me an email and let me know what you've been up to? Now I know you guys were ready for a break as you were working super hard up to half-term, and I know this because I've received a record number of nominations for you all. So sit tight, get comfortable, listen up and listen out for your name. So first of all, we're going to go over to maths, and Mr Feather has nominated the following for putting so much effort into their online work. William S, Lucas W, Poppy N, Mia W, Lucas S, Holly B, Emma D and Megan R. Well done. Now we go over to history, lots of nominations from history. Mrs Hitch has nominated Holly B again, well done. And also Phoenix for really good home learning for history. Phoenix sent in a really good paragraph about life in the workhouse, so well done Phoenix. Mr Finley would like to recognise Abigail R for a very well thought out newspaper article on the Peterloo massacre, written as if it was created at the time. Abby always sends great work, but this was exceptional writing, so well done Abby. Miss Watson says well done to Isaac B, Epine D, Joshua G, Alex P, Isabel U for their great work. And Mr Walker wants to nominate so many of you, so get ready. He wants to nominate Mason P, Leo S, Roberto, Jing, Lucas T, Brandon S, Owen B, Megan R, Brandon M, Jacob T, Poppy N, Eleanor R, Emma D, Oliver H, William S, Katie F, Isaac B, Ethan R, Brooke L, Lucas W, Libby W, Cameron C, and Jessica U. Well done, everyone. Now over to English then. So Mr Grieve wants to say well done to Poppy N. She's produced some fantastic work on Animal Farm. She hands everything in on time and her extended answers are thoughtful and detailed. The way she references context is brilliant, so well done, Poppy. Mrs Moffat has nominated Joe B and Ethan R for the hard work in English. Both have tried with their planning and Joe wrote a really gothic and quite terrifying story, so well done to you. The rest of the English team would like to recognise Abby R for a fantastic book review and thoughtful and brilliant vocabulary. Lucas T for a great effort consistently and brilliant Animal Farm work. Lovely snowball diary entry, so well done. Tegan F for a brilliant book review which showed real passion for the book that she chose, so well done. Owen B for fantastic work and effort, really amazing review, and Ellie W for brilliant effort with her work. Jacob T for consistently working hard every week and brilliant box diary entry, so well done. And Riley H for absolutely fantastic effort and hard work over the past few weeks. Well done, everyone. Now from art, Mrs Small says well done to Isabel U for superb photography. And I'd like to say a special well done to a few of you as well. So to Amber H for a fantastic drawing of an eagle, Cody J for amazing painting, Jack H for his beautiful sketch, and Natalie A for her amazing skills with the scar wax. I'm really, really impressed by your talents. So keep sending me your pictures. Over to Spanish now. Miss Waywell says, well done to Abigail R for fantastic work. In food, Miss Allen was so impressed with Isaac B's Reese's Fudge. She said you should be really proud of yourself and you've done a great job and she'd love a copy of your recipe, so well done. I'd like to say a big well done to Amy H for sending pictures of a delicious curry she made with her mum. Great job. And I'd also like to say a huge well done to Isabel Cotton. The afternoon tea looked absolutely delicious. I'd like an invitation next time. And now over to science. Miss Milner says well done to Jasmine H, Lucas S, Alex P, Brandon S and Epine for their continuous hard work in science, and Cameron C for working super hard right from the very start of this period, so well done. Miss Capella's nominated Catherine K. She says you've emailed lots of work in which is great, and also Holly B has done an excellent job this week too. Well done everyone. Now on to our superstars for this week. So firstly, I want to mention Jasmine H. Jasmine H has been an absolute superstar. She's done schoolwork every day. She's even helped her little brother out with his work. Jasmine has helped around the house. Her family is so proud with how well she's been dealing with all what's been going on at the moment. It's so brilliant to hear. So well done, Jasmine. Keep it up. And our second superstar this week is Epine for her extra effort riding her horse Jerry. She does this nearly every day for her PE lesson. And Mum is so proud with how she's improved over this time. So really, really well done. Well done, everyone. So many names there. You're making us all very, very proud here at Netherwood. If you aren't sure if you heard your name there, remember to check your inbox. I email nominees every Wednesday afternoon to say a big well done. So check out your inbox, see if there's an email there from me. Okay, while I take a breather now, here's Mr Coulson with a message for you all.
Morning Year 8. I hope you've had a fantastic week off for half term. I hope your batteries are recharged for the last 7 weeks at school. It's going to be one big push until the summer holidays. A big shout out to Isabel C for a fantastic afternoon tea which she made, and she sent the pictures in to myself and Miss Wharton, so fantastic, well done. Just remember to stay safe, look after yourselves, and hope to see you all soon.
Thanks, Mr Coulson. We now have a special message from Mr Grieve with some information and reminders about upcoming English work.
Good morning, Year 8. I just wanted to get in touch with it being a new half term and just catch up and see how we all are. So first things first, I hope you've all had a lovely half term and you've all found a way to relax and do some nice things in these circumstances. Second thing, I would like to thank everyone so far for everything they've been doing. Like, we have received some fantastic work in from you. I've had teachers emailing me about fantastic Gothic stories, about fantastic book reviews, Facebook profiles for Macbeth, and obviously now the week-on-week work that we're on for Animal Farms coming through brilliantly. I've had some fantastic pieces. So I also just want to talk about the people that might be keeping the work until we get back. So at this moment in time, I think teachers will agree with me that we're not receiving a whole class, like a huge amount of work, maybe receiving a maximum, maybe like 8 to 10 children, 8 to 10 students from a class are sending in the work. So I just want to just say, if you're struggling to send the work, can you let us know? Or if you've decided to keep all the work until we come back, because you can't send it in, let us know. But if you can and you haven't sent it in yet, can you please try and send it in? I would love to read some more work from my Year 8 class, and I'm sure every teacher in the English department feels the same. Okay, and finally, I just want to talk about the actual work that we're expecting week on week. So I'm the one that's helping you through it all. I'm the one that's providing you videos of the work that you're completing. So on a Monday, you receive an email and it tells you very explicitly what to do that week. It lays it all out and you've got 2 video links. So this first week back on the 1st of June, you were asked to complete week 3 of the Animal Farm Pack. Okay, and that needs to be sent to your teacher by the Friday. So that would be Friday the 5th of June. So if you're still working on Macbeth stuff, if you're still working on stories or book reviews, it's time to move on now and it's time to start the Animal Farm. Okay, so that's the work that we're expecting this week. If you've not started any Animal Farm and you want to start from week 3, that's fine. Okay, but just start the Animal Farm stuff and get it sent to your teachers, okay? And like I say every single week, I hope you're well, I hope you're safe, and all of your families are safe, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Okie doke, see you later.
Thank you, Mr. Grieve. Okay, Mrs. Oates has sent a quick message as well. She says hello to Year 8. She hopes you have all enjoyed the sun while staying safe. She sends a special shout out to her form and says it's been lovely to hear from you. Mrs. Oates also sends a huge well done to Natalie A. She's very proud of the progress you've made with the scar wax and thinks she'll be extremely busy this Halloween. She hopes to see everyone really soon. So finally from me, keep up the great work. You are doing brilliantly. Keep sending in your work. I love reading your emails and I love seeing your photographs and your pictures. Remember to check your emails and the Netherwood platform for updated work from your teachers, and also take a look at Miss Smith's online guitar lessons and also have a look at the food department's newsletter. Have a fantastic week. Work hard. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.